Okay, so for this challenge, this is different than anything we've done before. I'm going to give you a project asset package that has, well, let me see if I can find it over here. Yeah, so it's going to be called Soccer Challenge. And of course, you'll do like you've done before where you drag it in and import it. And it has three folders. A scene folder, and you want to click on Challenge 4 to open this up here. A course library folder, which has some of the things that you might want to use, but this is already in the game, so you don't really need much of this. But the Challenge 4 folder is where you'll find your scripts already made for you and a prefabs folder. So the game is broken. This game does not work the way it should. So let's look at it and press play here and see what's happening. So the first thing I notice is that my player starts and I have a power up in the world and I have two soccer balls. We'll call them enemies. These enemies are intended to go to the space behind me. So let me get out of maximize on play. So you see behind the player there's this black rectangle on the wall. That is our goal. And the intent of the game is that we're supposed to defend our goal from enemies coming towards it. So the first thing I notice that is broken is that we're spawning two of these enemy soccer balls in the first wave when we should only have one. So I would like for you to fix that so there's only one of them in the world. Another problem is that these should always be finding the player goal position and moving towards them. And you'll see at the bottom you have a null reference exception. That means that somewhere in a script it doesn't know where the enemy, the player goal is to move towards. Another thing, let's look and see. So the player control looks pretty good. And if I go get a power up, I'm going to do this rather poorly. Is instead of giving me the ability to hit enemies further, the indicator works, but instead it's spawning enemies. So the wrong method is attached to the power-up. And I think the last thing that I would like for you to fix is currently when I hit enemies, instead of them going away from us, they're coming towards us, which is the opposite of what we wanted. And it should be that when they hit that goal, the player goal, that they will go through there and then restart a wave. I'm going to put in the video a small clip of what the game should look like, along with some text to go over what you should be fixing. Good luck.